morning, you guys. Atticus is taking his lap around the island. Oh, no, he's drinking water. Anyway, I don't drink coffee that much anymore. But when it's holiday season, the caramel brulees at Starbucks, they hit. Nothing hits like a caramel brulee latte. Like, why isn't it talked about as much as a pumpkin spice latte? Because it is far superior. I saw on Instagram this at-home caramel brulee syrup DIY, and I was gonna do that. I was gonna go to the grocery store and pick up the stuff to do that. And then I thought, well, I didn't think. I made my morning coffee and I used this, which Califia sent to me, and it's the almond milk creamer in cookie butter. I frothed it up and used it as my oat milk for the morning. It's not oat milk, it's almond creamer. It hits and it tastes just like a caramel brulee latte. What is this melody? If you want a caramel brulee latte and you don't want to make homemade syrup for it and you just want something that hits, like that hits, you need to pick this up before this limited edition moment goes away. One of you told me that pimples right here is a sign of liver, and then I looked it up and pimples right here is also a sign of liver, and I just sprouted a fresh, why am I showing you closer? You don't need to see that, you can believe me. I don't drink as much as like my cousin. She just graduated college, but she went through it for 4 years. I don't drink as much as those people, and yet I'm being punished. I don't drink as much as a college kid. I drink every Friday night, and I'm a lightweight, so like 5 drinks, I'm good. I'm set for the night. So my liver is like, stop it, get some help. Well, let's not confuzzle that up, but I'm not gonna listen to her because I'm gonna be a feral rat on Fridays. Like that's just what you do. I just wanna tell you guys literally every detail of my life as if you're my mom, or just my mom's my best friend. She's the one I tell everything to. So like, I wanna tell you guys everything, but then I realize this is like digital footprint, you know what I'm saying? Anyone can see this. Do I care? Debatable. Anyway, I ran into my ex at the bar. I'd run into him at the bar multiple times before, but it's been like petty and like, we don't talk. I told him, don't breathe near me, don't look at me, don't speak to me when you see me, bitch. Don't do that shit. This time, he came up to me. He was like, I just wanna like squash the beef. And I was like, girl. And it was a civil little moment. We had a civil little conversation, and I looked good, obviously. So I feel like I feel mature. Let's talk about exes in the comments. Are you even friends with your exes? I feel like that's impossible and I would never do that. But like, are people friends with their exes? That's okay. It is Monday. It's a rainy day. It rained on Sunday, but I used that as an excuse to not do anything. I did not do my weekly reset. I played Sims all day, bitch, because I finally got Sims to be fixed, because you know the patches just break it, and I hadn't updated for like 3 patches, but I finally updated both my computers, so Sims videos will be back. As soon as the first Wednesday of the year hits, that's when you're gonna get another part to my Sims series. I'm continuing, obviously, the current Let's Play, but I am doing it on my gaming channel, which I will link below. And when that video comes out, I will post a little YouTube status update. I'll post it on my Instagram story so that you know exactly where to go to see it. But yeah, Sims are coming back because I finally fixed it, so I indulged and I played all day Sunday. Today, I'm doing the weekly reset, plus it's finals week, so I have exams. I haven't even said what today's video is. It's a day in my life. Yeah, it's Monday. I'm gonna do my weekly reset. I'm gonna do studying. It's gonna be just a cozy little day. I'm gonna go grocery shopping right now for the week, and that's pretty much the situation. So I went to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, as I always do. I'm gonna start with Trader Joe's. First thing I got was a gingerbread house. I wanna make a gingerbread house. It's festive, it's fun, it's fresh, it's frisky. And I picked up salted caramel hot chocolate. I bought 3 of these when the fall started, went through them. So I picked up 2 more. I've tried so many different hot chocolates. When they didn't sell these last year, nothing compares, nothing comes close. I picked up some ginger, some basil, because I'm gonna make or meal prep pesto for the week. I'm feeling a pesto moment. I saw this on an Instagram actually, and I have been looking at my Trader Joe's ever since. Every week they didn't have it, but they finally had this bad boy. It's an olive wood cutting board. Is that really the name? I really didn't need a new cutting board. I just think that this one is so gorgeous. It would be great for reels, for the vlog. It would just make things look good. When I pull this bad boy out to do my morning beverages, to take my supplements, I'm gonna feel like life is good. I have serotonin, life is worth living. That's what this is giving. I snatched this hoe up so fast. It was actually the last one too. People knew that that was a hot little item. Hot little commodity. Okay, next. spicy ramen, obviously. Got 2 of these bad boys. I also got some frozen meals because it is finals week and I just don't feel like cooking. So I got chicken fried rice, some tomatoes, bananas. I picked up some beef and broccoli. This makes my stomach hurt. It makes me tired. It gives me a headache because it is so processed. Am I gonna stop eating it? No. It's a treat. I only buy 1 per week, so eating it once a week is not gonna kill me, okay? I need it. Now from Whole Foods, I picked up some kale. I got more carrots, this time for juicing. Then I picked up some oat milk. This is the Oatly full fat. 2 apples because this week I wanted to make like an apple crisp with yogurt, like almond milk yogurt. I saw it on Instagram. I picked up 2 oranges. Oh wait, 3 apples, my B, a sweet potato. All right, I picked up restock of my cranberry juice and my pineapple juice. That was the little concoction that I made in, I think it was my night routine or like a night in my life. I forgot to do voiceover on that video, so like it doesn't, you don't even know, like you're just watching me do things and you're like, what is she doing? But I made cranberry and pineapple. I had a dick appointment that night, so it was realistic. We're all about being real. Then I picked up some Bonzo Rotini. This is the chickpea pasta that I like. This is the shape that I like for my pesto. And then I picked up some couscous. This is great for when you're hungover or you eat it before you go out drinking. Coats the stomach nicely and couscous just tastes so good. You just put a little butter, a little salt, amazing. It's just couscous hits, okay? It is sensational. I got 2 lemons, and then the last thing I got was my Kite Hill vanilla almond milk yogurt. This is what I'm gonna have with the apple crisp that I'm gonna make. And then I went to Target, which I don't do often unless I need restocks on like a few things, but I got some olive oil spray. This is just the nonstick spray of my choice. And then I picked up some cranberries because, okay, I was gonna get these at Trader Joe's. Story time quick. It's never a quick story. Editing me, she's had it. So I used to go to this other Trader Joe's by this apartment complex where I had originally moved when I moved out. Whatever, I went there and then there was this guy who was so unbelievably annoying. This guy would come up to me every time and he would always ask me for my Instagram, and I was dating my ex at the time and I was like, I have a boyfriend, like, and he's like, oh, I'm not trying to do anything. I'm like, okay, well, no. And then I stopped going to that Trader Joe's because of him, and I went to a different one, which is the one I currently go to now. And then I moved closer to that Trader Joe's, so it was like, great. So I kept going there, I moved back here, but I still went to that Trader Joe's because I didn't want to deal with that dude again. I had a good, full, peaceful year. I made friends with the cashiers. They were actually nice. They weren't crossing lines. And then one day, I'm trying to relax and I hear this voice. Wait, what's the TikTok? I try to sit down and relax and I hear this agitating voice. Is that the TikTok? Is that my hair? I was like, why can't I have nice things? And he's like, oh, what are you doing at this Trader Joe's? I'm like, I didn't tell him that I stopped going to the other one because he's an annoying ass bitch. And then he proceeds to hug me. Don't touch me. I don't know you like that. I don't like people hugging me unless I know you. Like, don't touch me. And he sits there trying to talk to me for like 5 minutes and I'm like, and so then I go on. Now, every time I go to that Trader Joe's, I'm not gonna stop going to it because it's my favorite Trader Joe's. I don't wanna have to change my Trader Joe's again because of an annoying ass man, right? So now I go and I put earphones in every time. This man doesn't take the hint, will still come up to me with earphones, still try to hug me every time. And so today, moral of the story, I wanted to get cranberries from Trader Joe's, but I saw him in that section and I was like, nope, I'll get it from somewhere else. I finish my shopping, I go to the checkout. So I'm checking out. He comes from the produce section over to me, tries to hug me. I have earphones in and he's still trying to talk and I'm like, oh my God, I don't know how to be mean to people. So I'm just trying so hard. I'm just like, okay, nice seeing you. I feel like I'm an asshole, but it's like, if this guy would just say, hey, nice to see you, and then keep on with his day and not touch me, I'd be okay with it. I want to enjoy. I love Trader Joe's. And then I hear this agitating voice. What do I do? Like, earphones don't work. So do I just say to him, leave me alone? But see, I can't be mean like that. Anyway, did anyone ask for that story? No, I'm sorry, but I had to share because I'm just agitated by it. Anyway, back to my little Target moment. I got some mouthwash. So that's what I got from Target, and that's what I got for my grocery haul. I am going to put all of this away. I also got a new vacuum, so we're gonna unbox my little new vacuum and then start the cleaning montage. This is the only vacuum I found in the world that matches my aesthetic. They don't sell vacuums that look good. Until this. Okay, I got this bad boy on Cyber Monday. So it was $100 off. Why are vacuums so expensive? I would never pay full price for this. I would have just waited till next Black Friday. I would have never, ooh, I opened it upside down, okay. You guys remember my other cordless vacuum? It wasn't pretty, but it was cordless. Yeah, and then I got the charger wet, and I had to buy a new battery, and then I never bought the new battery, and then I just started using my old vacuum again, which is super ugly and cord full of a cord, has a cord. Anyway, and then Cyber Monday came and all my dreams came true. Can't believe I'm excited about a vacuum. Like, even the bristles match my aesthetic. I love being an adult because of the cleaning supplies, you know? That is some fine craftsmanship. That is just some fine craftsmanship. Oh my God. Oh, even the cord is sexy. What do you do for my couch? Oh my God. It even has the wall mount and it's so cute. I'm sick. Isn't she gorgeous? The most aesthetic vacuum I've ever seen in my life. And then this comes off and then you can attach the little mini stuff. I love being an adult. I will link this below, but I would honestly wait until it goes on sale because who can afford to spend hella money on a vacuum? So like, unless you can afford it, like go off, buy it now. But I would recommend waiting for a sale, even Cyber Monday. So I'm sorry, but like add it to your wish list. I know you can hear the laundry. I'm really sorry. We're just doing loads and loads of laundry. Last week I washed 2 of the cushions that had stains on them. And then today I decided to just do the rest of them. And I'm not looking forward to putting the covers back on the cushions. I actually want to cry thinking about it, but it's okay. It had to be done because I couldn't take the couch not matching. But I'm back in sweats. I'm wearing this sweat set that I got from Amazon. It's a male sweatshirt and sweatpants. They actually have an option of an extra small. I just got a small and it fits me perfect. I'll link it below, but it's fleece, it's comfortable. I will not be changing out of this for foreseeable future. I have dishes drying over there. The apartment is now fully cleaned. I'm gonna sit down at my coffee table and plan for the week now, do my get clear and get current because that's what I do every Monday. So I forgot I wanted to make a reel of the simmer pot that I'm gonna do today. So it would be best to do it in the daytime, not the nighttime. So I have my little setup here. This is my little setup. I'm gonna shoot the reel of making the simmer pot. And then I'm gonna put it obviously on my stove and we're gonna make the house smell like Christmas. Smells so good. I'm gonna let this simmer basically until it dies, until I go to bed tonight. And my house is gonna smell really good. I did this in the fall time with a fall simmer pot. And I did that when my friends came over for a little girls' night and it smelled so good. They thought it was like a heavy ass candle. No, girly, it's natural. Now a quick word from today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is the platform I use to create my website, and it's an all-in-one platform to build your brand through an online presence. And here I'm just showing you how easy it is to customize and add sections to your website. What makes Squarespace so easy to use is that you can choose from all of these templates, so if you don't really know where to start, but you want to make a contact page, a newsletter, you want to list products for your store, they have all of these templates that you can choose from, and then you can build upon them and customize them to your liking. It's very easy. It's great for beginners or people that just want to make their lives a little bit easier. It's easy to create a one-stop shop website where you can create a blog, a store, and you can really showcase all sides to your business through one website. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Siena Mirabella to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Still wearing the hat. let's not talk about it. My hair is just not that girly today, and I'm gonna do my whole shower routine and everything later. But I finished planning out my entire week, and now I've just been doing the coursework that I have for business law for this week, because we still have one more chapter to take notes on and do the quiz and all of that. And then at the end of the week on Friday, we have the final exam. And then for anthropology, I don't have any more coursework except for just like reading the chapters, reviewing, studying, all of that. So I'm doing my business law coursework right now, and then I'm gonna do some anthropology lectures and then watch the business law review lectures. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for a good chunk of the day. It is 3:40, the sun's gonna set in 5 minutes. This is where I'll be for a good chunk of time. I'm still doing schoolwork. It is now 8 o'clock. I did my self-care shower as like an intermission between schoolwork, so that's done. I self-tanned. I am about to make my gluten-free, dairy-free cookies. The only thing I'm probably gonna do for the rest of the night is study, but just wanted to update you on my current studying situation. I'm doing my SMART book, which is basically you have your reading of the chapter and the teacher like highlights important concepts, and then for comprehension you go through and you do a quiz on all the concepts. It's not graded, it's just for completion. You can literally look at the stuff if you need to, like the concept. So it's just for comprehension and just kind of learning the material better. And then when you finish all the questions for the concepts, it basically just shows the teacher that you did the reading for the week. And so then I get graded on participation for that. It is a lot though. There's always like around 40 to 60 concepts, and there's like 3 questions per concept. So it is very long, but it gets the job done. Like I know this shit because I take these concept quizzes all the time. I don't know. Someone said to talk more about my schoolwork, so I thought, hey, here's a little bit more on my schoolwork. I don't know, is that interesting? Right now we're learning about intellectual property. So yeah, and then I have Gilmore Girls in the background.
1 minute gardens. Would you like to share policy? That's why the office. It's the noble effort to fail. Now we have to deal with
Shit's clean, bitch.
See how the books you bought for me? They died.